Okay, so that was my neighbor's 2016 American Standard Silver starting up. Just caught it right now. Doing it from my window because I just thought it'd be a cool angle. And I got it. Barrett. Yes, I got it.